Hello?
Yan na, yan na, yan na, yan na.
Sino to? Wrong number. Congrats. Wrong number. Uy, sino? Gago ka. Ay, joke lang. Kelvin, nandito kami para sa'yo. Para kay Jen. Wini-wish namin na sana maging masaya ang honeymoon. Congrats.
Yan. Pading Kelbs and Jen, congrats. Oo. Mga ano to, mga 1 hour. Oo. Congrats and
God bless.
more sex. I mean, success. Ikaw.
Likewise.
Oo. And God bless always.
Hello, Kevin. Hello, Jen.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and mas marami pang anak. Hello, Kuya Calvin. Ate Jen, congratulations. Best wishes.
Beautiful wedding. Oh,
Bye.
married one. Married one.
Hi, Calvin and Jen. Wish you a very happy wedding day. Congrats.
Congratulations. Hi, Jean and Kelvin. Congratulations. Hindi ko akalain na marating nyo yung ganyan kabonggang kasal ngayon. Nagulat lang ako. Wow, congratulations sa wakas. Happy life. Congratulations.
Hello! Congratulations, Ate Jen and Kuya Kelvin. And I pray that your what you have entered is so beautiful commitment, and I hope and pray that you will just continue to love each other every day, and excited for baby number 3. Again, congratulations, and just enjoy this day. Bye.
Paano?
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Primo. And Jen. Thank you.
Hello, Kuya Kelvin, Ate Jen. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Thank you.
Hi, Jen and Kelvin. Congratulations and best wishes. Sana meron ng baby number 3. Congrats!
Hi ate at kuya, congratulations. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. So, pasensya na di nakapunta si na mama. Congrats, best wishes.
Hi, Jan and Ben. Congratulations to both of you. And basta yun lang. Good luck and happy. Best wishes. Okay na yun naman. Congratulations! Best wishes po. Okay naman.
Hello, hello, hello. Sarot. Congratulations, Ate Jen and Kuya Kelvin. Best wishes po.
Hi, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana magmahalan pa kayo ng mahabang mahaba. Yun. Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jen and Kelvin. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Best wishes. Okay na.
Hello. Thank you so much sa mga nag-attend. Kahit, wait lang. Thank you so much sa nag-attend. Kahit malayo, nandito kayo. Masayang-masaya po kami. Thank you so much.
Hello, Jean. Kelvin. Congratulations on your wedding day. I love you so much. Thanks for inviting me. And to my hubby.
May buraw. May buraw. May nang.
kahit kailan may buraot. Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you so much sa mga nag-attend. Kahit malayo, nakarating kayo dito. Ano pa yun?
May buraot kaming dalawa. So mga taga-serve, nandito.
Bukas, may serve
Kasi
kami.
ayun. Ano pa?
Maraming blessings. Thank you so much.
Bye! Hi, Te. Sana maging masaya yung married life nyo. And sana masundan na si Cassie. Char. Happy wedding. Yun lang. Bye!
Hello, hi Jen and Kelvin. Congratulations. Hope there's a best wishes to both of you. Okay na. Okay na.
Hi, say hi.
Hello, up with me and mommy. Hello, Pop. Kuya, up with the weather now.
Congratulations.
Hello.
Hello po, ma'am, sir. Thank you po sa pag-book sa amin. Congrats.
Hello, happy wedding sa ating dalawa. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect. Ang ganda talaga. Our ultimate wedding dream come true. This may be forever and ever. To love you. Thank you. And I love you.
Ano sasabihin? Na blanco. Ano sasabihin ko, Daddy?
Nag-roll out na yan.
Ano nag-roll out na to? Ganun ba? Happy wedding sa ating dalawa. Sobrang saya ng araw na to. I love you.
Bye. Enjoy sana kayo lahat.